Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is ratio and proportion. I know that some part of that you have already done in your junior classes, right? So today topic is ratio and proportions. Today we'll deal with only ratio. A ratio is what? A ratio is basically comparison between two quantities or the numbers, like A ratio B is 2 ratio 3. It means A by B is equal to 2 by 3, or A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Why we write x? Because they are in the lowest term. So like it can be 4 and 6, it can be 8 and 12, it can be 24 and 36. For all the ratio will come 2 ratio 3. First of all, today there are composition of ratios. Composition of ratio is composition of ratios. So composition of ratio is, first ratio is compounded ratio. Compounded ratio. If the two ratios are given, A ratio B and C ratio D, then the compounded ratio will multiply. It will be AC ratio BD or AC ratio BD. That is the compounded ratio. Then we have duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio. If the ratio is A ratio B, then the duplicate ratio will be A square ratio B square. Like 2 ratio 3, duplicate ratio will be 4 ratio. Then we have triplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio, and then we have triplicate. Triplicate ratio. A ratio B. Triplicate ratio of this will be A cube ratio B cube. 2 ratio 3, it will be 8 ratio 27. Fourth is subduplicate. Subduplicate ratio. If it is A ratio B, then the subduplicate will be under root ratio under root B. Meaning by, if it is 4 ratio 9, subduplicate will be 2 ratio 3. And same way, subtriplicate. Subtriplicate ratio will be A ratio B. Subtriplicate is, if it is A ratio 27, subtriplicate is cube root of A and cube root of B, that means 2 ratio 3. And the last one of the triplicate ratio is the reciprocal. Last one is the reciprocal ratio. If it is A ratio B, the reciprocal ratio will be 1 by ratio 1 by ratio B, and after solving that will become B ratio A. That will become B ratio. Now we'll do few sums pertaining to all these ratios, and we'll see how the sums are being solved. First question is, find ratio of 45 minutes to 1 hour. So solution, 45 minutes. So that is 45 ratio hours change into the minutes. This will be 3 ratio, right? Second question. Second question is, we have Second ratio is find compounded ratio of number 1 5:7 and 2:3. Number 2 2:3 comma 3:4 comma 2:5. So solution, compounded ratio in first question it will be 5:7 and 2:3. So it will be 5/7 into 2/3. This will be 10:21. Second sum, it is 2:3, 3:4, 2:5. It will be 2/3, 3/4 and 2/5. This is cancelled, this is cancelled, this is cancelled. This is 1/5, 1:5. We can get the sum in the shape of a algebraic expression also. X plus y ratio x minus y comma x square plus y square ratio x plus y whole square comma x square minus y square whole square ratio x4 minus y4. Again very simple, x plus y upon x minus y into x square plus y square x plus y whole square into x square minus y square whole square upon x4 minus y4. Straightway nothing is cancelled, so we have to factorize x plus y, x square plus y square. This will be x square minus y square into x square minus y square twice. This will be x minus y, this will be x plus y, and this will be x square minus y square, x square plus y square. So this is cancelled with this, this is cancelled with this, this is cancelled with this. We are left with x square minus y square upon x minus y, x plus y. Again x minus y, x plus y, x minus y, x plus y. This is cancelled, so 1. So ratio is 1:1. So very simple what we are doing. Question number 4. Question number 4 is find number 1 duplicate ratio of 3:7. So solution will be 3 square ratio 7 square. So answer will be 9:40. Second sum, find subduplicate ratio of 36:25. Solution, 36 ratio, this is under root 36 ratio under root 25, 6:5. Third is 9:11. Find reciprocal ratio. So reciprocal ratio will be 11:9. And fourth is find subtriplicate ratio of 216:125. So subtriplicate 200 and cube root of this and cube root of 125. Cube root of this is 6:5. So these are the answers. Now we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Question is 2:3, 8 ratio 15 and 11 ratio 12 and 7 ratio 60, comma. We have to arrange in ascending order. We have to arrange in ascending order. To make in ascending order, first of all we'll write the fraction 2 by 3, comma 8 by 15, comma 11 by 12, comma 7 by 16. We'll take the LCM of denominator 3, 15, 12 and 16. It'll go by 3, 3, 5, 4 and 16. And this will go by 4, 5, 1 and 4. 4 5s are 20, 24s are 80, LCM will be 240. 240 divided by 3, 80 into 2, 160. 240 divided by 15, it will be 240 divided by 15, it will be 16. 16 to 8 is 144. 16 into 8 is 128, comma, then it is 12, 20. 20 into 11 is 220, then is 16. 15 into 7 is 105. Now we have to arrange in ascending. Ascending is 105. That means first ratio is 7 ratio 16 is less than. Second ratio is 8 ratio 15 is less than. Third ratio is 2 ratio 3 is less than. And the last one is 11 ratio 12. So that is the final answer. Next question. Next question is, if we have a question A ratio B is 4 ratio 5 and B ratio C is 2 ratio 3, find A ratio B ratio C. So first of all we have to write it. A ratio B is 4 ratio 5 and B ratio C we'll write like this. Now we'll multiply. We'll multiply this by this by this and this by this. So we multiply, it will be 8 ratio 10 ratio 15. So this is A ratio B ratio C. If we want to know A ratio C, it will be 8 ratio 15. 7. If it is A ratio B is 1 ratio 2, B ratio C is 2 ratio 3 and C ratio D is again 1 ratio 4. So whatever we want to find, so first of all we'll write A ratio B is 1 ratio 2. Then B ratio C we'll write by 3. And then we write D. D will be again downward. It will be, first of all we'll find this only. So multiply this and this. This will be 2 ratio 4 ratio 6. So A ratio B ratio C will be 2 ratio 4 ratio 6 and ratio D. So now C ratio D is 1 ratio 4. Multiply this by this by this and this by this and this by this. It will be 2 ratio 4 ratio 6 ratio 24. We can reduce this 1 ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 8, and whatever answer we want to get we can get. Like if we want to get A ratio D, it will be 1 ratio 12. It will be 1 ratio 12, right? So this is all what we want to do. Thank you. So now you have to do the sums carefully. Thank you very much.